Check out this pickup here, unique, especially in classics. 1972 Chevrolet regular cab short box. Say kind of a grabber blue and white combination. Blue vinyl interior. 350 small block Chevy. Underneath the hood, era correct engine. That's paired up with an automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 350 to be exact. Let's take a look at this grille. Bumper, bright work up front. Chrome looks good. Nicely equipped, power steering, power brakes, vintage AC. AC blows cold. This vehicle will also come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That is included in the purchase price, may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And you can call in at 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all the still pictures. As you can see, disc brakes up front. Those are 22-inch Coys wheels. 5-spoke chromies. Looking good on there. Nice stance to this truck. I do want to mention the side glass. As you can see, it is tinted. Windows are dark on this truck, so know your local and state laws depending on the percentage of window tint that you can have. Obviously varies from state to state. As we look down the passenger side of this truck, you can see these panels are nice and straight. Will also come with a cover. And as far as the bed, we do have a rubber bed mat in the rear of it. You can see the bed appears to be in pretty nice shape also. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. So take a look at the tailgate. Chrome in the rear. Chrome protector on the front, on the top of the tailgate, I should say. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all the still pictures. Also stick around to the end of the video. We're going to start it up. Let's hear it run. Check out the engine bay. And at the very end, take this for a ride. Take it down the road. Do a little video. You'll be able to kind of see what it's like to take a virtual ride in it, I guess, if you will. As we look down the driver's side, again, you can see it's not full of nicks, dings, or scratches. Paint shows well on it. All right, let's take a look at this interior. Blue vinyl bench. I believe it was a Kenwood aftermarket stereo system in it. Vinyl seats, nice shape. Free of rips, tears, holes, seat belts intact. Something I also wanted to mention, if you take a look at the undersides, you're going to notice that it does have newer exhaust on it, Flowmaster mufflers, headers also. So take your time looking through those still pictures. There'll be a bunch of the underside pictures, probably over 100 pictures of this car, or truck, I should say, on our website. Let's fire it up. Small block Chevy Power, 350. There's stereo systems. Radio is working. Good sounding stereo at that. Once again, vintage AC too. And AC does blow cold. Let's close that all the way. Didn't push it very much. There you go. Good sounding truck. Nice little rumble. Nothing too crazy or over the top though. Let me slip up to the front. I'm going to have to pause this just a second. And we'll get this hood open. Check out that engine bay. And then remember, stick around to the end of the video. You see what it's like driving down the road in this truck. There we go. Hood open. Underside of the hood. Custom Chevrolet hood liner. Here it is. All right. Again, power steering, power brakes, aluminum radiator. Looks like an Edelbrock Performer intake, Holly 4-barrel. A vintage AC is a battery disconnect. When it's in storage or in between drives. Good sounding engine. Nice, clean, tidy engine bay. And it looks like we have hooker headers. You'll be able to check that out all in the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Don't forget the 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase price. May be extendable out to 10 years. Call us 507-386-1726. Nice stance to that truck. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1972 Chevrolet C10 in blue and white. This truck is an automatic right on the column. It's got some big wheels on it, but actually the ride is very nice. Sometimes you expect it to be rougher. It's a nice ride. Very good acceleration in this truck. It does look like our steering wheel's clocked a little bit to the left, but it does not affect performance. Our battery is showing right in the middle of the gauge. The coolant temperature is 1/4 of the way from cold. Oil pressure is 3/4 of the way, maybe 2/3 of the way up. That's all looking good. Fuel gauge also showing 1/4 of a tank, and our speedometer is working well. We have a Kenwood stereo on the dash. Which sounds very good. Vintage air system mounted and working well. Love the variable fan. You can put that right where you want for fan speed. Brakes are working really well. We have a vinyl stock looking blue bench seat in this truck. Comfortable. This truck corners really well. It doesn't lean much in the corners at all. Got very nice looking interior. Responsive steering. Sit nice and high in this style of body truck. You can see very good. Good visibility. Tinted windows. Just a very well done truck. Brakes feel really good. Check out the pictures and the details of this truck at uniqueclassiccars.com.